Well, it is a bit of a bittersweet day because I have sold the daily driven exotics Mia's Gallardo. Let's go for one final drive and I'll tell you exactly why. So, little story about this car. I took it in trade on my green Lamborghini Huracan, which was, I gotta say, one of my favorite cars I've ever owned. And the day has come. I have sold the Dde Mia's Gallardo. So basically taking it in to drop off at the dealership and hand it over to its new owner, which maybe you'll see a little bit about that, maybe not, don't really know. And then going to pick up my replacement for this, which is very exciting. So stick around, we'll drop this car off, and then I'll take you along to show you my new replacement for the Dde Gallardo.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
3 hours later.
And well, it is the next day. I didn't really film much of the old Gallardo leaving, but I introduce you the replacement Lamborghini. So here it is. My replacement for the Dde Gallardo is this stunning Verde Mantis 2015 Lamborghini Huracan 610-4. However, this one is a little bit different than my previous one. This one, although finished in the same color, has this stunning matte satin PPF film on it. And this one has the very rare Lamborghini Huracan Aero Kit, which consists of this black piece on the front bumper, these nice side skirts down here, and of course this beautiful little spoiler, which just makes the car just that much more aggressive. And this one has considerably lower mileage, and it's a local car, clean history. And I gotta say, with that matte PPF and that Aero Kit, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Huracan. Inside's pretty much the same as the last one I had. It's the black with the green stitch throughout. So inside's the same, other than it's just a little bit cleaner than the last one. Less bolster wear and whatnot, given it has about half the kilometers of my previous Huracan. So this is a little bit of a full circle moment because I bought that green Huracan, had it for a few months, and then ended up selling it and taking the Dde Gallardo on trade towards that. Sold the Dde Gallardo, and in the same day bought this Huracan. So a little bit of a weird full circle moment with going between cars, but this particular one, really nice example. I'm gonna do lots of car content with it, but I'm leaving you on a cliffhanger because I am heading off to Europe. And I'm heading off to Europe for a number of different reasons, but one of the things that I'm gonna be doing a ton of there is some epic car adventures. So you, in the next couple weeks, are gonna see some absolutely crazy videos. We're gonna go to Manchester, we're gonna go to London, and we're gonna go to Monaco, and I'm gonna be visiting some of the world's most exclusive car dealerships, chasing some of the world's most exclusive cars. And Monaco, particularly, if you guys are not familiar with that, it is, I think, the highest per capita of billionaires in the world. And with that comes mega yachts, hypercars like you and I have probably never seen, and that for me is my dream spot. So I have all kinds of epic car content coming. Really appreciate you guys' support. We're well into the 20,000 plus subscriber range and well on our way to 100,000 this year. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for watching all the videos, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, good, bad, indifferent. I love all the comments. The hate comments are the best. So keep it up. And yeah, with that, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for an epic European car trip. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.